I'm 6 weeks into my Shopify print on demand challenge to see if I can make $100,000 in 6 months selling t-shirts. In this video, I'm going to break down the sales I've made so far, how much I've spent, and if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see the profit that I actually made. Now, today is a particularly exciting day because it's the first of the month, and that means it's a finance day. This is when I look at the entire month as a whole and see how much revenue was actually made, and more importantly, how much profit was made during the month of July. So first, let's talk about sales and how much my store made in revenue. During the month of July, my store did $31,747.53 in revenue. So the amount that my store has made in sales is not how much I'm actually taking home this month. This is particularly low for where I want my store to be, but I think with some time and some growth, I can definitely get it there and hopefully reach my goal of $100,000 in 6 months. This was a surprisingly smooth month for my store. Although it didn't do as much in sales as I would have hoped for, I really didn't run into any issues with any accounts, had minimal returns and refunds, and really just stayed focused on the big picture. I said that when I was restarting this brand that I was going to take each task one step at a time. In the past, I would throw more and more ideas into the brand and never perfect it, and it would eventually implode. But I'm happy to say I think this new philosophy is going to work out in the long run, although it does feel slow some days. The next step to finding out how much profit is by deducting all the costs that my store had. This isn't some Shopify challenge with no money type of video. Here, I actually spend money to hopefully make money. There's a lot to go over with this. We'll look at a breakdown of the costs and see if I actually made any profit. This really comes down to my 3 biggest cost areas: advertising, products, and fees. I get the majority of my traffic from advertising, particularly Facebook advertising at the moment. I love Facebook advertising because it's pretty easy to set up and use, and you don't need a ton of creative like making full videos for TikToks and editing and that kind of thing. Honestly, my ad creative is just my mock-up picture from my website, and I just add and change the ad copy. I pretty much build out my campaigns and watch the performance and see how they do. From there, I'll see if I want to bump up the spending or completely cut the cost. A lot of people are not for Facebook advertising, and I think that's just because they lost money running their ads because they didn't do any testing prior to launching their campaigns. Now, you can absolutely make money by focusing on advertising, and it can drive a lot of traffic to your site more quickly than trying to get an organic following or creating a viral TikTok like a lot of drop shippers will say to do. This area of business cost me $10,987.18 in the month of July. Now, the second largest cost area was cost of goods. By doing print on demand, your cost for goods adds up more quickly. You're paying more to print a shirt and ship it than buying the shirt yourself, printing it yourself, and shipping it yourself, like a lot of Etsy creators do. I pay for the shirt with one print area, the shipping, and tax on areas where I'm not set up for collecting sales tax. It's important that for me to make money, I have to set my prices to be pretty high. And that's why I prefer not to sell on Etsy, because it's hard to compete against others that are able to sell their shirts for $12 and offer free shipping. But by building a brand, this allows me to charge more for my shirts. The question becomes, did I charge enough for my shirts? My cost of goods cost me $12,761.73 in the month of July. Now, the third largest area was fees. Both Shopify and PayPal will charge fees for processing, and these fees can definitely add up. If you aren't careful with tracking these fees, you can think you are making more money than you actually are. This makes up for a fraction of the other areas, but it's still hefty. I spent $1,060.25 on fees alone in the month of July. So let's take a look at my profit report. Looking at my profit report, I spent a whopping $25,693.22 on my Shopify store. I like to do my profit report at the end of the month because I can grab all the most accurate data to get an idea of how I'm doing financially. As you can see here, I have my income, or the areas that have made money for my business this month. This includes my revenue, my Printify rebate I get for selling so many t-shirts, as well as the cashback rewards I make with my credit card, since everything gets put on that. I also add up all of my costs here that will be deducted as well as my overhead, which includes memberships, subscriptions, employees, and such. And it leaves us with the profit. After all that spending, I was able to profit $6,438.79, or a 20.63% margin. This is absolutely attainable and really just the beginning of my store. With more time, more work, and slowly ramping up my ads, I can easily be making $15,000 per month. So if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job or really just be your own boss, follow along, like, and subscribe to my channel and see if I'm able to make $100,000 in 6 months. Thanks for watching. And if you want to watch my first episode of this challenge, check out this video here.